Hey guys, welcome to more Maths with Mouth. If you're finding these videos useful and you haven't already, then please do get subscribed to the channel. Also, don't forget to give this video a cheeky little like and share around with your friends. I love hearing from you guys, so please do leave a comment letting me know how you're getting on, and if you have any requests, then leave me a comment. Without further ado, let's get cracking. Hey guys, welcome to part 1 of the June 2017 AQA paper 2F. So with foundations here, it's the first calculator paper, so my advice, use your calculator for absolutely everything. A link to the AQA website with the papers will be in the description down below the video, so you can download and have a go, play along with the video. You know how you revise best, so do that. Please, if you're not already, get subscribed to the channel, share these videos with your friends. Let's help as many people as possible. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay, question 1. So, which of these units would we use to measure the length of a tennis court? Well, we wouldn't use kilometres, we wouldn't use centimetres, we definitely wouldn't use millimetres. So, we're going to use metres. Question 2. Circle the multiple of 8 and 12. So a multiple means a number that these numbers for 8 and 12 both go into. So neither one go into 4, 8 goes into 32, but 12 doesn't. Both of them go into 72. 8 goes in 9 times and 12 goes in 6 times. So 72 is our winner. And then for question 3, write 3 halves as a decimal. Or what is 3 halves as a decimal? So if you're not sure, whack 3 halves into a calculator and it will give you 1.5. So 1.5 is our winner. Question 4, circle the correct statement. So, first one, is minus 4 less than minus 3? Yes it is. So, that was easy. That's our guy. The rest of them aren't right. So, for example, the next one says 1 is less than or equal to minus 2. That's definitely not true. 1 is bigger than minus 2. It's definitely not equal to minus 2. And the other two are incorrect as well. Question 5. Use your calculator to work out the square root of 701 and as a decimal, and write down your full calculator display. So I cheated. I took a picture instead of having to write it. So if you get something that looks like that, golden. When you put in root 701, your calculator will probably be hilarious and tell you that that is root 701. To turn that into a decimal, find the button. That looks like this. S equals D, and then that will turn the root into a decimal. Okay, and then part B says to give our answer to 1 decimal place. So we've got 26.47 blah blah blah. So the first decimal is a 4, but it's got a 7 after it, so it's going to round up to a 5 and give us 26.5. Jobs are good. Question 6. So a swimming pool has 3 changing rooms, male, female and family. The pictogram shows the information about the number of people who used each changing room in 1 hour. So down below it, we're told 8 people used the male changing room, and then part A wants us to work out or complete the key. So we need to work out how many people 1 flag is worth. So 8 people use the room, there's 2 flags, each flag then represents 4 people. And then part B wants us to work out how many people is the female changing room. So, for the females, we've got 1, 2, 3 whole flags and then 3 quarters. So, we've got 3 times 4, which is 12. Now, if each flag represents 4 people, 3 quarters of a flag represents 3 people. So, we've got 12 plus 3, 15 people use the female changing room. Okay, then for part C, the manager has bought some lockers. We're asked why should he not use this information to decide where to put them. Well, the information was about 1 hour, so that's not a very representative scale of time, so it's not really a fair source of information to use. Maybe if he collected data over a week or a month, that would give him a much better indication of where he should put the lockers. Okay, question 7. Here is a list of numbers. We want to work out the median. So remember, the median is the middle value, but we first of all need to put them in order of size, smallest to biggest. So that's what I've done first of all, and then we cross out one on the left, one on the right, till we get down to one chap in the middle. So cross out 17, cross out 36, cross out 21, cross out 32, cross out 21, cross out 29, cross out 21, cross out 25, 23 is left in the middle, 23 is our median. Okay, question 8. So here is a map of a town. We've got a scale, 1 centimetre represents 200 metres. That's probably going to be important. But the first question, part A, asks us, what is exactly northwest from the station? So, the station is down here. Remember, compass directions. We've got north, east, south, west. So northwest is up and to the left diagonally. So can we find anything that is diagonally up and to the left of the station? The answer is yes, we can. It's the library. So the answer to part A is the library. And part B asks us to circle the three figure bearing of the monument from the park. So let's go back and find both of those. So of the monument from the park means we're at the park. So here we want to know what bearing the monument is from the park. So I would join them both up with a line. So remember, north is 0 degrees and bearings are measured clockwise. So we would want that angle there. It's a straight line, so it's 180 degrees. So that's our answer to part B, 180 degrees. Okay, so part C wants to know in meters what is the distance from the cinema to the station. So back to the map, we want to measure this line in centimeters, so you should get about 6 centimeters. So the scale tells us every 1 centimetre represents 200 metres, so we want to do 6 times 200, and that's going to give us 1200 metres. And then part D, so why might the shortest walking distance from the cinema to the station be greater than our answer up above? So we worked out the straight line distance. There might not be a route the way you can walk in a straight line from one to the other. You don't want to be walking over any motorways or railway lines. It's probably not going to end that well. So chances are we can't walk in a straight line from the cinema to the station or vice versa, so the actual distance will be longer. Okay, question 9. So we want to complete this bank statement. So we've got two empty boxes for the balance. So we're starting off with a balance of £212.48p. Then we're taking out £128.39p. How do we know that's being taken out? Because it's council tax. So we want to subtract 128.39 from our original balance. Remember, it's a calculator paper, so just smash that straight in and we will get £84 and 9p. And then for the second empty slot, this is our salary, £856.21p. So we then add that on to our balance. So we want to do £84 and 9p, add our salary, and we've then got £940 and 30p. So don't waste time at all doing that without your calculator. Sling it straight in, subtraction, and then in addition. Jobs are good. Question 10. The average age of teachers at the school is 36 years. Mr. Smith's age is 11/9 of the average. Right, we want to work out Mr. Smith's age. So your calculator can do this in the real thing. Don't waste working it out manually, but it's good practice to do just that. So first of all, on your calculator, you would just want to do 11/9 times 36, and that will give you 44. So in the real thing, that's what we would want to do. In practice though, let's go through doing it with our calculator. So we would first of all find 1/9 of 36. So 1/9 is 36 divided by 9, which is 4. And then to get 11/9, we would do 1/9 times 11. So 4 times 11, which again would give us 44. Question 11, so this is going to be the last question for part 1. We'll finish the paper off in parts 2 and 3. So we want to solve 4x minus 3 equals 14. So the first thing we want to do is sort out this minus 3. So to get rid of him, we add 3. And remember, we do that to both sides. So we get 4x equals 17, and then we need to get rid of that 4. It's multiplying the x, so to cancel it out, we divide both sides by 4, and we get x is 17 over 4. They haven't asked for any specific form of answer, so that's absolutely fine. If you smashed it in your calculator, you would get 4.25 as a decimal. Either one is fine. You could even write it as a mixed number, which would be 4 and 1/4. Any one of those three would be fine. Okay, jobs are good for part 1, TTFN.